California, north central San Diego County in southwestern California until 4:30 p.m. EDT. At 1:18 p.m. EDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the north area. Between 0.75 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 0.75 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Temecula and Bear Creeks have received the most rainfall. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Highway 79 between Warner Springs and Oak Grove, Highway 79 between Oak Grove and Aganga, S7, East Gray Road, Palomar Mountain, Lake Henshaw, Warner Springs, Highway 79 between Santa Isabel and Warner Springs, Aganga, Oak Grove, La Jolla Indian Reservation and Los Coyotes Indian Reservation. Excessive heat warning for the following areas in California, Coachella Valley, and San Diego County deserts. Excessive heat warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. PDT this evening. Dangerously hot conditions with temperatures 109 to 113. San Diego County deserts and Coachella Valley. Until 9 p.m. PDT Sunday.
Well, flash flood warning. We're gonna have to see if we get more.